eruptions look normal and peaceful, but they're actually volcanoes.
This volcano hasn't erupted in years. But why do volcanoes erupt? What makes a mountain suddenly explode with fire and lava? Let's discover what's happening inside. Earth is made of layers, like a giant sandwich.
Deep inside, the mantle is super hot, so hot that rock melts. This melted rock is called magma. It's like liquid fire. Magma is lighter than solid rock, so it wants to float up.
The magma collects in a big underground pool called a magma chamber. The magma has gases trapped inside, like bubbles in a soda.
As more magma rises, the pressure builds and builds, like shaking a soda bottle. The magma finds a weak spot, a crack in the rock above. It rushes up through a pipe toward the surface.
Near the surface, the gases expand explosively. That's what causes the eruption. And boom! The volcano erupts!
Hot lava flows down the mountain like glowing rivers.
Ash and gases shoot high into the sky.
When lava cools down, it turns into solid rock. Some eruptions are explosive and violent, others are gentle with slow lava flows. Most volcanoes form where Earth's tectonic plates meet. Let me show you what we learned. 3 things. 1. Rock melts into magma. 2. Pressure builds with gases. 3. Eruption. Fun fact! Kilauea in Hawaii has been erupting almost non-stop since 1983.
Isn't Earth's power amazing? Keep asking why, friends. See you next episode!